In this video, I'll show you how to set up mail filters in Zoho Mail to automatically organize your inbox and save time. Filters are perfect for keeping personal or business emails neat and manageable. Start by going to mailzoho.com and logging in. Click the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Then navigate to Mail Settings and select Mail Filters. Click plus, add a new filter to create a new rule. Give your filter a name that's easy to recognize, like Client Invoices. Choose whether it applies to incoming emails, outgoing emails, or both, and set when the filter should run, usually when new mail arrives. In the Conditions section, specify the criteria for this filter. You can use the from, to, subject, or body fields with keywords, phrases, or specific email addresses to target the emails you want. Next, select the actions to apply to those emails. You can move them to a folder, mark them as read, star them, forward them, delete them, add a tag, and more. Choose the actions that best fit your workflow, then click Save. Your filter is now active and will automatically handle emails that match your criteria. With rules like these, your inbox stays organized, your workflow is smoother, and you spend less time managing emails.